Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG dishwasher. It is occurring CL error. That's mean actually according to the our field technicians, they knows it is not the error message, but customer doesn't have any idea about the error message, because some customers are telling it is showing CL error. It is control lock, otherwise child lock. This machine also having the same issue. Now I'm going to show you and how to resolve, how to deactivate. Now this machine already activated child lock. That's mean while we are pressing any option, we are not able to, at least we are not able. I will see, we cannot do anything because it's showing already child lock. Because of that only I'm going to explain to you how to reactivate this one. Now we will go to the next step. I will show you how to deactivate while this control lock activate. At the same time we have to do manually deactivate. It's itself automatically not activating, it is by mistakenly. Otherwise we have to do manually only, otherwise normally not activating. Now I will show you. Now after giving power, we are not able to select any option. Even browser is warning messages will come. See, we are not able to do anything. This is not the error message. This is ourself manually, by ourself manually it should activate. Now it's showing continuously CL. We are not able to do anything. Now I will show you how to deactivate while you checking here properly. This one you can see here, it is showing CL while we are pressing anything. Now that's mean here it is already indicate, it is mentioning control lock. That's mean half load and energy server is we have to press 3 seconds together. After that this will child lock, otherwise control lock it will go. Because actually why they modify this one, while machine running time our kids will come here and they are changing option and they are shutting down. Because of that only this is for the safety, and they modify by the company. Now what I'm going to do now, I will select here, I will half load and energy server. This one together we have to press 3 seconds. You can hear the noise. Now we can, now it is deactivate. Now we can stop the machine, we can shut down. Also now I will power off. Again I will go for the delegate or any option. After that we can start the machine. Now again I will show you how to do that. Now for example, now I already select delegate option, and also machine starting, machine is running continuously. While running time we can activate this one, also deactivate also. Again I will show you. Now machine already running, machine not getting stopped or cycle not changing. The same cycle end of the until end the program machine will run continuously. Now I will press this to, now it is realize again, it is activate control lock. Now we are not, nobody can, here we cannot do anything because already control lock, otherwise child lock, it is already realized. If you need again you can deactivate as same before I show you. Now again I will select, I will press together. Now already deactivate. It is very easy work. It again I'm telling, this is not the error message, it is the control lock. Now you know how to activate and deactivate. This is my information for my customers and who are staying with my channel. Thanks for watching my channel. I think you learned something about, again while watching this video. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks for watching my channel.